Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio for the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is monthly reading. So Scorpio, let's see your recent past. Page of Cups, the Strength, Page of Swords. Definitely you are in communication terms. You both, so one person spying on the other person on social media if you are in separation, or if you are not in separation, definitely you both are in communication. One person in this connection could be Leo. One person is very very loyal and very committed in this connection, and one person is very stand by their power. So Scorpio, let's see what is going on your connection right now. Yeah, communication. This reading is about communication. Ace of Swords, Queen of Wands, Four of Cups. Yeah, for some those who are in separation, definitely some communication is coming in your way. Truth coming out and communication, new beginnings. One person in this connection could be Sagittarius. They stand by their power, but one person feeling first the missed opportunity. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, the person who stand by their power, definitely they are independent, and they are abundant, and they are emotionally strong. It could be you or your person. I think Scorpio, it could be you. You stand by your power. Yes, Queen of Swords. You are very clear and you are very committed. If they don't offer what you want, you cut them off. Definitely. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you, and it is also sign for rebirth in this connection. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Lot of cards. Nine of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The World. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Three of Pentacles. Yes, your person, for those who are in separation, definitely your person feeling sad without you. And some cycles, I think the separation cycles is going to be end between both of you, and they want to work on this relationship. You both could be colleagues also. Three of Pentacles is partnership. Yes, in past they couldn't put as much as you in this connection, but now they want to put effort on this connection and they want to work on this relationship. So let's see some more cards from the universe. The Devil. Almost all readings got Devil card. Judgment. You or your person could be Capricorn also. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands, new beginning. And Queen of Swords, King of Swords. Queen of Swords here and King of Swords here. Definitely you both are strong couple, and you both sometimes communication wise, harsh communication is also happened between both of you. You both are obsessed with each other, the Devil card. But Judgment with Ace of Wands, definitely there is reconciliation, and your person wants second chance with you, and they want reconcile with you. It's up to you to give second chance or not, Scorpio. Definitely there is some obsession, or your person may be addicted to some bad habits, but without you, your person like this, they are in anxiety and depression, so they want to end this cycle and they want a new beginning with you. So it's up to you to give second chance, your person or not. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Almost all signs are here. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.